In this video, we're going to walk through embedding a video on your page. Embedding is different from hyperlinking. When visitors to your page click the hyperlink, it takes them outside of your website. But when you embed, it keeps the visitor inside of the page. So let's walk through how to do that. You're going to find a video that you like, the share button, embed button, then copy the button. And be careful about, again, using the work of others. So in my section on music on my page, I want a video from the popular artist Stromae right before my information. Well, no, right after my information. So I find that in my code here, and it'll be right after this paragraph. So I can put my cursor at 19, press enter, and then it will give me that space. So here it is. I click share. With the share button, the embed button, get the embed code by clicking copy. And all you gotta do is just paste it. Control V. Everything, the iframe code tag is complete within itself. There's nothing I have to add. So see how that looks. I'll click save. And replace what I've done previously, and now refresh this. And now the video is embedded on my page. And again, a little later, we'll talk about CSS, where you can adjust these figures to make it larger or smaller.